Hello guys. I got these yesterday and they were making this terrible sound, squeaking sound when you move this. And it was caused by the fact that this one here and this one, the vertical ones, they are not precisely cut, it seems. The gap is just a little bit too much, and it was driving me crazy. I was about to go today to return them, and I read on the forums and everywhere that basically it's kind of a lost cause and they won't do anything. So I was thinking yesterday whole evening, and I was getting crazy, and today I woke up and I got some idea how to fix it, and it's pretty much fixed. I don't hear it. So before I show you what I did, let's just make this small test. Take these out and get some piece of paper, something like this. This is like from a notes. Put it here and close it. Close the lid. First of all, see if it closes properly, and then see if you have the problem. If you don't have the problem, then I have a solution. If you still have the problem, what you need to do is just find a little thicker piece of paper and try it again. But you get to the point where you will not have the problem. So then what you need to do is basically find a sticker, any type of sticker, and cut it about that size to cover this area here. You see, I have this sticker here. Well, it's a bit ugly right now because I'm still testing. I'll probably cut a better one, and it can be transparent, it can be black, it can be silver, whatever you want. Cut it, stick it here, and you're done. There's no problem anymore, and it's not visible, it's not damaged, it's fine. These are still new, I still don't know which is the left and which is the right, but I've been searching everywhere. I haven't found a single fix, so this one will fix it. Thanks for watching and good luck.